Good morning, students. Today we'll see substance dissolve in water uh, through one activity or one experiment. Okay. See, here I have one glass of water and look, a spoon of salt and one spoon to stir this. Okay. Now first take water in a glass and a pinch of salt to the water. Okay, what we have to do? Pinch of salt in a water, and then what we have to do? Stir it with a spoon. We just dissolve this water in a salt in a water. Okay, just now see. Have you see? Have you see? Now tell, what do you see in this? Do you see salt in water? What do you see in this? You do not see the salt in a water anymore. With the spoon, see, with the spoon, place a drop of the water on your tongue. You find it is taste salty. Okay, now the water tastes salty. Okay, but we can't see salt in a water. Okay, means what does this tell us? The water was salty. It means that the salt is dissolved, or the salt is still there in the water. We cannot see it. In other words, the salt has dissolved in the water. Okay, means salt is a substance that dissolves in water. Okay, students, let's see one more example for this substance dissolve in water. Now see, here I have one more substance, that is sugar. Okay, same we are doing the process that we have to do in the salt. See, okay, take a glass of water and add a pinch of sugar in it, and what we have to do? We just stir it. Okay, we just stir it. See, after stirring, see, are you see sugar in a water? No, na, means sugar also dissolve in water. Means sugar is a substance that dissolve in water. Okay. Now see one more example for this. Now I have substance or rangoli. Okay, here I have color rangoli. You can take white rangoli also. Okay, so see, here I have a rangoli, and what we have to do? We have to do the same thing. Take rangoli and pour in a water, a glass of water, and now what we have to do? We just stir it. We just stir it. Okay, and see what happened in now this rangoli. See, are you see in the water? You saw rangoli, means it shows that rangoli does not have dissolved in water. Means rangoli is a substance that not dissolve in water. Okay. Now see, students, here I have again one glass of water, and I put here one substance, that is a drop of oil. Okay, drop of oil. I think you not be able to see the oil, that oil flows up into water. Okay, if we stir the oil in this, then see, see in my spoon, the oils remain here only. Can you see? See, now in water also we saw oil in upper way only. See, means oil is also not dissolved in water. Okay students, so today we see the substance dissolved in water. In that we see salt, sugar dissolve in water, but oil, rangoli, and you can use instead of rangoli a sand that you call a vadu. Okay, that also you can use for this, and you can try this one, that they are not dissolved in water. Okay students, so do any one of this activity and send it me your video. Okay, so do this and send me, it's compulsory. Okay students, this is your activity, EVS activity first.